All right. We just finished the assessment for Cordillera and Region 1, and it is exactly as we expected. Talagang mabigat ang tubig. And I remember that one of the Pag-asa actually is the one who said na 20 years ago yung last gobernador pa yata ako noon nung pinakamalaking tubig na ganito kalaking tubig na dumaan. Nakita naman natin, I was looking galing sa helicopter na talagang ang daming flooded, ang daming inundated, ang laki ng ilog. But so that is what we are trying to deal with now. Natapos na tayo sa rescue phase, yung meron pang mga isolated wala na i-rescue na lahat ng mga kailangan na i-rescue. Nasa relief phase ngayon tayo na providing kumpleto naman ang mga food pack na binibigay ng DSWD. Magdadagdag pa rin tayo kasi ang numero pataas ng pataas habang nagiging nakakapasok tayo doon sa mga inaccessible na lugar. So that's the infra damage, especially here in Region 1 is significant. Dito sa Ilocos Norte, sa Ilocos Sur, hanggang sa La Union, meron talagang mabibigat na nasira. At saka hindi yung landslide lang na kailangan lang itabi yung lupa, ito talagang nasira na. So we have to go back and siguro aayusin natin lahat yan. So the other big problem that we have had is the agricultural damage. Hindi pa kumpleto ang mga report, ngayon pa lang, ang laki-laki na. Because it was the season, nasira ang ani pa sa mais. Doon sa Cordillera, ganun din. Dito siyempre yung pinakamalaki yung palay. And we are getting the measurements para malaman ng DA, namin sa DA, how many hectares are inundated, ano yung mga nasira, ano yung pwede pang i-recover, paano natin gagawin, at ano na yung mga nasira so that we can prepare seedlings for palay, for mais, kung pwede pa yung mais, palay and high-value crops. Tapos yung mga agricultural infrastructure na nasira, yun, kailangan din natin ayusin yan. In terms of the marami na sa mga na-evacuate ay bumalik na sa kanilang mga bahay. Karamihan ay tumira na muna doon sa mga kaibigan o relative nila. So that's the situation now. Hinahanap naman namin para makapagbigay ng assistance. Lahat ng partially damaged ang bahay, meron mga totally damaged, yun ang mas mahirap dahil talagang pagtatayuan pa natin sila ng bahay. That's the problem now. But the casualty rate is relatively low, karamihan drowning. In fact, all of them, I think, except for one, isa electrocution, but the others were died by drowning. So that's also expected. Meron mga missing pa. So sana naman buhay pa sila at ma-recover sila lahat. So all of the government, all of the national government has been here. We had been pre-positioning food packs and hygiene kits and shelters since we saw that there was going to be a storm. So that was, I first called Secretary Rex about this last Monday. Bago ako umalis ng Malaysia, we talked about it and I said, mag-preposition ka na. And that's exactly what he did. And then we alerted all of the agencies. So naka-ready sila. Ang mahirap lang yung mga isolated pa at yung mga kalsadang hindi pa madaanan. Pero yung mga responders natin, pinilit nila makapasok, nagdala ng mga food packs para doon sa mga isolated areas. Kahit naglalakad lang o nagbibisikleta o nagmotor lang, basta makapasok sila. They have managed to attend to all of the needs so far. Ang isa pang malaking naging problema ay yung kuryente. dito, lalo na dito sa Ilocos Norte. Dito tayo sa Ilocos Norte, pinakamalaki ang naging damage, kaya mabagal ang pagbalik. Ang proseso kasi diyan ay hindi lang naman basta dumaan na yung bagyo, i-on ulit yung pinapatay talaga yan eh. Pinapatay yung kuryente para hindi naman mag-short, hindi naman magkasunog pa. So hindi naman pagka dumaan yung bagyo, hindi pwedeng basta i-on na lang yan. Kailangan inspeksyonin nila bawat dipa ng mga connecting lines. They have to look at it to make sure. Dahil kung inon nila yan at may putol na connection, masisira yung buong sistema. Kaya maingat na maingat lahat before they turn on the power. The power is available. It's dependent on the electrical cooperative na maayos nila yung mga linya. Mabuti naman yung mga neighboring provinces ay tumutulong. They are sending, so kung wala silang tama na dito sa bagyo, nagpapadala sila ng tulong sa mga lineman para dumami ang mag-inspeksyon. In the question that usually we always have in the evacuation centers, we always have medical teams just to make sure everybody's okay, lalo na yung mga may edad na nangangailangan ng mga maintenance, na kailangan magpatingin sa doktor, mayroong mga sugata, nabalian, whatever it is. So we're doing that. But right now, mabilis na nakabalik ang karamihan na ng evacuees na nasa evacuation center. Karamihan sa kanila ay na either may inuwian na or umuwi na sila sa kanilang bahay. Pero alam din namin kung nasaan sila. I'm sure that they need assistance, so we will also provide that assistance. In terms of the infrastructure, Senator Jaime pointed out very correctly that the school year is about to begin. At meron tayong kukunin na gagawa tayong listahan ng mga damaged school buildings na hindi magamit. Tignan natin what we can do in a month. Kasi we have 1 month, August 28 ang pasukan. So these are the basic, these are the general elements that we have been looking at. This is what we've been getting from the agencies, the responding agencies to all of this. Sa mga nasiraan ng bahay, na destroyed, completely destroyed houses, merong emergency support na gagawin ang human settlements at meron din gagawin ang NHA para magtulungan sila. And merong assistance at magpapatayo ulit ng bahay. We are now at the phase where we are providing construction. We will have to provide construction materials. So kami na magmanong at para na hindi na maabala ang tao, gamitin na lang nila yung mga gamit para maayos nila yung kanilang bahay. So that's more or less the general issues that we have been talking about. Kung naman ang response ng national government is satisfactory. I can say that it's okay. But talagang mabigat itong nangyari dahil the rains were much heavier than we have had in recent times. And even kagaya rito sa Ilocos Norte, tinitignan ko kung saan nagbaha. Ganun na naman, hindi, yung mga dating binabaha, nabaha, pero may mga baha na dinaanan na hindi dati dinadaanan. Kaya we have to really get used to this, the new weather, the effects of climate change. Totoo na talaga ang climate change. So that's more or less it, and we will be proceeding now to Egay to look at the situation in Region 2. Okay?
Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you.